In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can potentially access TradingView's premium features for free. First, let's discuss some viable options you have through broker partnerships. Many brokers collaborate with TradingView to offer premium features to their clients, which can be a great way to access these tools without the added expense. One such broker is Black Bull Markets. By connecting your TradingView account to their platform, you can unlock TradingView Pro access. Likewise, brokers like Fires and Upstocks provide their users with the opportunity to use TradingView charts laden with premium features, given that you have an active account with them. It's a simple yet effective method of enhancing your trading experience. For those trading Forex, FXCM might be your best bet. They offer a free year of premium features for those who sign up with them, which is particularly beneficial if you're serious about Forex trading. If you're interested in currency trading or metals, Fusion Markets can offer a free month of TradingView subscription. This requires you to trade a specified minimum volume of FX majors or metals each month, adding a bit of incentive to stay active in your trading pursuits. Another option lies with Don, which provides complimentary access to TradingView's paid features when you open an account via their specific link. Each broker has clear requirements, and it's important to meet these stipulations to retain access to the premium features. Besides these options, educational institutions present another avenue. Through TradingView's Educational Partner Program, students can enjoy free access if their school or university partakes in the program. This can be a great resource for students looking to hone their trading skills with premium tools. Now, let's discuss something important. Be wary of claims that you can obtain TradingView Premium access for free forever. Realistically, most long-term solutions involve engaging with broker requirements, such as making deposits or meeting trading volumes. Partnerships often provide these benefits, but they are contingent upon certain conditions, and ongoing terms can change. It's always a wise move to verify current promotions and specific terms directly with the respective broker. In conclusion, while there is no legitimate method to access TradingView premium features completely free and indefinitely, the options I've outlined today provide a fantastic way to make the most of available offers. They require collaboration with brokers or educational institutions with certain eligibility criteria to keep in mind. As you explore these options, enjoy the expanded capabilities these premium features provide, enhancing your trading experience and potentially elevating your trading strategy to new heights.